Stakeholders for Naija don call for the creation of better democratic system wey go really work and benefit young people for the country. Our Abuja person Rose Njagu yarn say this call shele during the 2025 National Youth Leaders Summit wey dem do for Abuja. Jeremiah Agala, wey be the Executive Director of Inspiring Youth Africa Initiative, tok say the summit na to empower and carry Naija youth along for national development. According to am, the goal na to promote leadership, make youth participate well for governance, join for policy matter, and also support business development so dem go dey ready to lead tomorrow.
The whole desire to put together the National Youth Leaders and Stakeholders Summit is to bring leaders together. Leaders who understand that they have a tomorrow, and they are not waiting for the tomorrow, they are building the tomorrow from the now. The idea of this conference is to ensure that we are building the right strategies, building the right skills that will put us on the path for leadership, put us on the path for governance, put us on the path where we will take on roles and responsibilities that will be able to show to anyone that we have what it takes to be at the center stage. The National Youth Leaders and Stakeholders Summit is designed to build enterprise skills in everyone seated here. The truth about it is, if we do not have economic power, forget about anything called political power. Because what controls that realm is what you have in your pocket. Beyond the skills you have up here, you need pocket power. The powerful are only as powerful as the poor people they have around them. And so you see that they create a lot of poverty around the people around them to remain in power. It's high time we say no to it. I have what it takes to sit there. I have what it takes to define what this nation should be like.
Mohammed Garba, wey be chairman of Black Origin Exports Limited, also tok say make dem carry youth join for policy making and governance. He tok say even though person suppose work hard to earn leadership, youth still deserve better chance to contribute to the development of the country.
We even have greater opportunities, more talented youths. We should stop recycling these old elderly leaders. They are tired and retired. They are only coming in, struggling to communicate, take care of their old ages with no results. We are not fighting them. They are our advisors if we need that. But the system now has developed to a certain level that exposed us to communicate easily to the outside world. We can see what is happening in Senegal, a younger person who has transformed the country. And look, we don't have to dip deeply to even know that it's about time we take over. But leadership does not serve or been served freely or fold your arms. Look at the method that anybody who gets leadership, how did he get in there? By struggle.
Still for the event, Dr. Obinna Simon, wey dey run for chairman under Social Democratic Party SDP for Abuja Municipal Area Council elections (AMAC), tok say leadership positions suppose balance between old people and young people. He tok say na this kind unity go help build better Naija wey everybody go dey proud of.
Even in voting, the youth have the largest number, even in voting. So talking about youths, they have tremendous roles to play. Most of our leaders today, some of them serving as in governors, some in Senate, some in... As at when they started getting involved in leadership, they were young people, quite young. You cannot compare the contributions they have made, to this country when they were young compared to now. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that we should, do away with old people, no. I am an advocate that there should be a mixture between the young and the old. The old comes with their experience, okay? And then also with their wisdom, and then they help the young ones. Where the young ones fail, the old ones will go to their archive, bring out the experience of what happened, maybe with similar situation, and then they get it solved. It should be mixed.
Make una no forget, say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. Oh, he fame or no simwa. TMC News.